A close look at reports in newspapers in the valley reveals quite a bit. On one hand, while the BJP and the NC have upped the ante against the Narendra Modi government and its talk of revoking Article 370, the other side of the story is that there is a voice which suggests that the sudden concern over Article 370 by the two key political players in the valley is an election ploy. Journalist Niaz Ilahi, one of the prominent voices of the valley and one who has followed things in the valley closely, dubs it as a political game. A NNI special report from the heaven on earth, which is now the heart of the problem, named Article 370. BJP and NC both have slammed the Narendra Modi government for openly saying that the abrogation of Article 370 was a work in progress. The two key parties have made it known that they were not quite satisfied with the ruling dispensation taking up the matter. This even though the manifesto had indicated that they will work on it and had made mention in rallies. Opposition PDP chief and Anantnag MP Mehbooba Mufti, earlier speaking to the media, said the move had the potential to divide Jammu and Kashmir on communal lines. She went on to note that could be equal to another partition. Chief Minister and NC leader Omar Abdullah meanwhile termed the statement of the Minister of State in PMO, Dr. Jitendra Singh, as irresponsible and ill-informed. Interestingly, the MOS PMO is also from Jammu and Kashmir and was elected from Udhampur. Things do not end here. Ever since the issue has come to light, both factions have launched attacks at each other. Both have accused each other of having secret parleys with Modi. But contrary to what is said by both, the BJP has maintained both have been misleading the state over the Article 370. Asked journalist Niaz Ilahi about his views, he is clear that this is mere politics at play.
बाकी कुछ नहीं है, लोगों को बेवकूफ़ बनाए, लेकिन आजकल की मतलब जो ये जनरेशन है इट इज़ एजुकेटेड, काफ़ी एजुकेशन है यहाँ, लोगों को अच्छी तरह से ये पॉलिटिकल ड्रामा हो रहा है, वो अच्छी तरह से समझ चुके हैं, हर कोई किसी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी का ये पोल प्लैंक है, इसलिए वो ये नहीं चाहते हैं। लेकिन अब मतलब बीजेपी क्योंकि मतलब नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस का मतलब ये है कि मतलब अब वहाँ पे नरेंद्र मोदी चीफ एज प्राइम मिनिस्टर है, उनको लगता है कि मतलब बीजेपी जो कम्युनल पॉलिटिक्स में बिलीव करते हैं, उनको पता है शायद हो भी जाएगा, आर्टिकल 370 पे ये स्टेप्स भी उठाएंगे, उनको रिवोक करने की या डिबेट होना चाहिए। अब नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस है, पीडीपी को याद आ रहा है जस्ट बिकॉज कि मतलब वो चाहते हैं, मतलब लोगों के इंप्रेशन देना चाहते हैं कि हम उनके जो है वेल विशर्स है, अदरवाइज कुछ नहीं है, ये सब पोलिटिकल ये है गेम है।
Over these, several statements have been mentioned in the valley from political factions in the region. The prominent one of them is of Mustafa Kamal of the National Conference, who said PDP patron Mufti Mohammad Saeed was responsible for erosion of Article 370 in Jammu and Kashmir. The other prominent, which targets both NC and PDP, is of State President of the Dalit Sena, Romesh Lal Bhagat, who claims both parties were playing politics over the matter. Experts claim whether BJP succeeds in abolishing Article 370 or not is not of much significance, as its complete restoration of abolishing hardly changes the disputed character of Jammu and Kashmir, because none of the three parties, including India, Pakistan or Jammu and Kashmir, can unilaterally take any step and claim issue to be resolved. Even the chief of the Jammu and Kashmir Liberation Front has called for a Quit Kashmir movement. When we tried taking a different view on the subject from chief of the Awami Ittihad, he said parties were running away from real issues.
Powered by NNIS.